Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Asian carp. Begin by thoroughly scaling your fish, working against the grain until no scales remain, which ensures a smooth texture. After that, carefully eviscerate the carp, removing all internal organs and rinsing the cavity well under cold running water. This initial cleaning step is absolutely crucial for preparing the fish for its next stages, ensuring a fresh and clean starting point for your delicious meal at home. Asian carp is known for its intricate Y bones, which can be a bit challenging. First, carefully fillet the fish, separating the two main sections of meat from the central spine. You can then meticulously cut out the Y bones by making small V-shaped incisions along the lateral line of each fillet. A simpler, popular method involves scoring the fillets deeply, about 1/8 of an inch apart, which effectively disintegrates these bones during cooking, making them unnoticeable when eaten. Deep frying is a fantastic way to prepare carp, resulting in wonderfully crispy and flavorful bites. Begin by cutting your prepared fillets into small, uniform pieces, each roughly 1 inch by 1 inch. Next, dredge these pieces through seasoned flour, then an egg wash, and finally a crisp breadcrumb coating. Fry them in oil preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 to 4 minutes, until they are beautifully golden brown and fully cooked. For a lighter, healthier approach, baking your carp fillets is an excellent choice, highlighting the fish's natural flavors. Season them generously with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and your favorite fresh herbs, like dill or parsley. Arrange the fillets neatly on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, or until the fish flakes easily with a fork, indicating it is perfectly cooked and ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.